Yes, there is a real Singapore accent, but it's not just one thing. There's the British English structure, in the Chinese rhythm. Think Cantonese, Mandarin, or Hokkien even. Not to mention the Malay vowel influence. The Malay people are one of the many indigenous peoples of Singapore. And lastly, the Indian English pattern. All of this makes up the Singapore accent. And here to help us, boy, we're going to need it, my friend Alex. Let's go, La. Singapore is a very small country, but the accent varies slightly by generation, formality, whether it's on the street or in the office, in social context. This video is going to focus on a neutral Singapore English accent. Very good. Resonance and delivery. In general, the standard American English accent is going to be in the center of the mouth. Singapore English. Forward placement, efficient, clip, deliver. Right. Think clear, practical, no wasted effort. Don't drag sound. Said, done. I'll meet you later at the mall. I meet you later at mall. Notice, no stress on time words, no extra glide, calm, direct tone. And now, vowel rules. Vowel rules. Vowel. Short vowels stay short. No American stretch. Cat becomes cat. Bit. Bit. Bus. Bus. That bus is late. That bus late. When speaking with the Singapore accent, you get reduced diphthongs. The American accent loves those vowel glides. Singapore English, keep vowel clean. No glide. Time. Time. Go. Go. Day. Day. I'll go today. I go today. The ah vowel sound shows up often. For instance, can becomes can. Last. Last. That was the last one. That was last one la. Next, consonants. Let's start with that TH becoming either a T or a D. It becomes a T when it's voiceless. For instance, thin becomes tink. Thin. Ting. Three. Three. The voice TH becomes a D. This. This. That. That. There. There. That thing is over there. That thing is over there. Put your hand on your throat. Think. Tink. No vibration. Voiceless. It becomes a T. This. Vibrates. Voiced. Becomes a D. This. There. Do you feel it? Next, consonants at the end of words. They're softened or they're dropped. This is one of my favorite parts about the Singapore accent. Best. Best. Asked. Ask. Worked. Work. I already finished. I already finished. The R is usually light or neutral. It's not exaggerated or rolled. Car. Car. Work. Work. Never dramatic, never heavy. Moving on. A grammar feature. This is key. Singapore English efficient. That's right. Articles are often dropped. The, a, and, they're optional. I'm going to the store. I'm going to store. Tense is simplified. You got to have the right context or you might get confused. I already ate. I already eat. You finished or not? You finish already? Listen to people when they're speaking with the Singapore accent. There's a rhythm. It's calm. It's level. And there's a slight rise at the end. Don't forget tags. Yes, tags. Those are sounds added at the end of words for emphasis. For instance, la emphasizes friendliness. Okay. Okay, la. Add lay at the end when you're correcting somebody, perhaps. Not like that. Not like that, lay. May expresses doubt. Are you sure? Are you sure, May? Ah, when you want confirmation. Like that? Like that, huh? Here's a few words you might hear Singaporeans pronounce distinctly. Three. Three. That was the voiceless TH. Free. Fli. Notice how the R became an L. Very. Very. There, did you hear it? The V becomes a W. Already? Already. Catch that one? The AL sound becomes an O sound. I already know. I already know. Fun fact. Singapore has 4 official languages. And the most common, English, followed by Chinese, then Malay, which represents the Malay community, and last but not least, Tamil, representing the Indian community. That's right, lah. Here's a challenge. Say this sentence with the Singapore accent. I already told you that we're meeting later, but you didn't reply. I already tell you we meet later, but you never reply. Now you're sounding like you're from Singapore already. Keep clear, keep efficient, don't overdo that. If you want more accents, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me which one next. I love you. Okay, bye-bye.